Hi, my name is Fred Baum. I'm the RF Product Manager at CTS Electronic Components. I'd like to introduce you to 3 new products that CTS is introducing this year at the International Microwave Symposium. The first is the Upd Duplexer. This is for Picocell applications. It offers 15 watts of peak power, 3 dB of insertion loss, 63 dB of rejection or isolation in the RX band, 57 in the TX band. It has a universal footprint of 44 by 18, and by the universal footprint of 44 by 18, all filters from 700 megahertz to 2.7 gigahertz will fit in this universal footprint. They all pin compatible. Next is the USD duplexer for small cells. The USD duplexer has 60 watts of peak power, 2.6 dB of insertion loss, 72 dB of isolation in the RX band, 66 dB in the TX band. This filter fits in a 63 by 18 footprint and again is universal from 700 megahertz to 2.7 gigahertz. Next is the UMD. This is a pair of duplex or bandpass filters that are duplexed together, offer 200 watts of peak power, 2 dB of insertion loss, 80 dB of rejection or isolation in the RX band, 74 dB in the TX band, and fits into a universal footprint of 62 by 44 millimeters. Again, all filters will fit in within this bandwidth or within this footprint, 62 by 44. I'd like to introduce you to our UMD duplexer. This UMD duplexer combines 2 bandpass filters, and in metro cell applications, it will replace an air cavity filter similar to this one. On the monitor here, you'll see the receive passband with RX, the TX isolation or rejection in excess of 80 dB. And here you have the TX band, typically 2 dB of insertion loss or better, with rejections in excess of 80 dB. Okay, here you have our recently released Plex Band 3 duplexer. This is 2 bandpass filters combined to make a duplexer. Again, in metro cell applications, this filter would replace air cavity filters similar to this. Here, you'll see passband on the TX side with insertion losses of about 2 dB of insertion loss and rejection in the RX band of in excess of 80 dB. Thank you, and for more information, please visit ctscorp.com.